Hi, my name is Britton Gregg, and I am the coordinator for service learning here at Texas Tech University. As more and more classes are switching to an online format, either temporarily due to a disrupted teaching environment or permanently, we want to take a moment to think about service learning in an online course context. We have had a number of questions related to the feasibility of doing service learning at a distance. We want to encourage you, of course you can do service learning at a distance. It may not look the same as your face-to-face courses, and that's okay. As with any service learning course, it's just a matter of planning, prioritizing, and asking the right questions. Immediate questions that come to mind are, what are you considering as a placement for your students during this online course? What skills and abilities do you want your students to develop? What are the goals of your course, and can those be met in an online service learning environment? We know that in service learning, reflection is a main component. Whatever project or service that you've put in place, it is key to make sure that your students have the right tools to critically reflect on the project that they're completing. Some strategies to think about having your students reflect critically would be, can they perform something? Can they do an oral report? This is the time to really think outside the box when it comes to reflection. I would also like to discuss a few ideas for you to consider when transitioning or developing your new service learning course for online learning. Conducting background research or gathering information for your community partner, taping, recording, or streaming an online workshop, creating digital media or other social media content for your community partner, print program materials or other informational materials for your community partner to distribute, undertaking assessment, evaluation, or feedback via phone or web-based service, and lastly, compiling, researching, or brainstorming ways to indirectly help out your community partner. Again, this is the time to think outside the box and to make sure that your students are getting the most out of your online service learning class. If you would like to contact me and speak more about this, my email is britton.gregg@ttu.edu. I would love to discuss more about service learning. Thanks.